Oh, what's good, everybody? Check it out. I know you just had a look at this bottle of French's spicy brown mustard, but that's not all we got on this counter right here. We got beef shank cuts, and what we're going to do today is we're just going to sear these really quick with the spicy brown mustard because we want to make it easy, to cook something simple. So let's give it a shot. This is a little over a third of a kilo. Yep, a little over a third of a kilo. One. Two. This is sort of like a random recipe that I saw on YouTube last night, So we're just going to see how we can coat these. I'm literally watching myself do this through the viewfinder, or screen, should I say, of my phone. I'm hoping that this is enough beef. I'm hoping that this is enough mustard for this. So yeah, going back to what happened the other day and in my findings in my cooking that I was doing, there was like just way too much salt in the beef, Alright, so that looks pretty good. Looks like everything's coated in mustard, which is what we want, And this should be more than enough for my pan, which is like a 6-inch diameter or so by like 4-inch depth. So let's go ahead and prepare the pan. Cook this evenly, right? Pieces like that. So we're going to go ahead and let this brown for probably 2 to 3 minutes per side, And we'll probably go 10 minutes, I think. Not even sure. Switch this out. See that? Pretty cooked. We're going to switch this out and cook the next batch of beef shank. What happened there? Do is going to go ahead and sweat these red diced onions in the pan until they're about tender, and then we'll add in the beef. All right. We got chicken stock here. This is like half a tablespoon. It's not even 2 tablespoons like I've been doing. I think that's part of the reason why it became so salty. So. Alright, so onions feel okay, so we're going to go ahead and add the beef again, and then we're going to add the chicken stock, and then we're going to simmer this on low to finish it off. Okay, put this all together. Alright. Chicken stock. We're going to throw the lid on this, and we're going to let this simmer on low or medium low for about 45 minutes, and we'll check on it after. Okay. So this is the result here. We've got 45 minutes of cooking time. I believe this is exactly where we want the beef to be at. And we got some rice in the microwave. And we're going to go ahead and plate this beef. Let's go. So we got a little bit of rice and a little bit of beef. Well, if you made it this far into the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications so you can stay in tune for when I drop another video. Thanks for watching. Peace.